one. Yeah.
Okay, first one I'll select.
Yeah. So before you launch an instance, I'll talk about a few things about what is the process of Jenkins. Yeah. So the thing is, CI/CD, as we discussed, it's a continuous integration and continuous deployment. Sometimes it's delivery. Sometimes. So difference between deployment and delivery is if you are placing a var or whatever the package, the Artifactory on a web server or a Tomcat app server or anything on a server, and if you are making available to the public or like the customer end customer is nothing but deployment. And then after deployment, we won't deliver to the customer or like we won't release it actually. There are sort of process to do that is called testing. Testing maybe can be a functional test or like unit test or whatever the test, whichever you feel uh, requirement for your project and product, then those process will be included. And deployment plus testing is called as delivery. And so that is a CI/CD. So continuous integration means what? Whenever developer checks a code to particular repository, there could be a different repositories. Anyway, we are going to discuss those in detail. Uh, then Jenkins has to pick that code and do some build process. So which we can define as a build steps, which can be Maven build or Gradle build or Ant, whatever thing. So that process is completed. If that process completes, it becomes it generates a package. That package can be a zip file or like it can be a jar file if it's a Java archive file or archive file, or maybe var file, web archive or web archive. So anything can be possible. Sometimes it may be a npm is like Node.js kind of a deployment package. So those packages can be pushed into Artifactory before deploying. And once it is deployed, then it has to be available to customers. So then we have to do some set of process called as testing. So entire thing, if you want to implement this in an organization, you need a one CI/CD tool. That is Jenkins. It's an open source one. There are alternate for Jenkins is TeamCity, Bamboo. There are AWS Code Pipeline, or maybe some other features are there available in the market. But yeah, we are going with the open source one. That is Jenkins. Okay. I have a TeamCity at my place, so I can show you that TeamCity. So in this way, we can cover two installation. I won't be showing for TeamCity, but yeah, I can walk you through the how we can achieve the CI/CD in TeamCity. Whereas Jenkins, we are doing from the scratch, like installation and everything, configuration, administration, and everything is important. What we require for DevOps point of view. And then the source control repository system we are using is Git, GitHub, and GitLab. So please mute yourself, man. So Git is again, there are alternate for SVN, source control management or version control system. We have alternates like SVN, CVS. SVN stands for subversion. CVS stands for centralized version system. So there are so many options here. Perforce is there, Atlassian Bitbucket is there, and AWS Code Commit is there. Like there are so many options are there in which we are using Git, GitHub, and GitLab. GitHub is a hosted service from the Git community, whereas GitLab is a enterprise software which we can install or host on your on-premise environment or maybe cloud environments. So we'll be seeing all the things in cloud environment because we have chosen a cloud environment as AWS. So whatever operations or whatever installation we are performing, we are choosing AWS only. The same way, we just launched the AWS instance. Can you launch that
So
instance?
no, yeah, actually I was launching it, but I got a pop-up saying that this is gonna take an hour and under managed subscriptions.
Okay.
So that kind of message I was getting it for this.
Okay, choose Amazon Linux, not a problem. I'll show you the CentOS Linux sometime later. Or you can take Ubuntu, search for Ubuntu. Okay. AMI Amazon Linux is better because it is similar to CentOS only.
Yeah.
Just choose that one. Yeah, all the options are valid for CentOS and so. Can you make it to once again storage? You can make it to more. One step back. Yeah, maybe 30. I don't terminate this instance because it's T2 micro, right? Should keep it away. Keep it this way. No. Tagging should be Jenkins master. Later we are adding slaves, so it will be master. Now we are not adding the slave instances. We'll do that later.
So what are the things security that has to be enabled? I enabled only SSH in this. Anything else has to be added?
Just SSH now. Let's see. Whatever required, we can do that. Okay, launch it. Key pair, whatever thing. Yeah.
Already have it.
Okay, just launch the instance. Connect the instance.
The other one got okay. CentOS is ready now. Oh, it's
just take that. Okay, just take that only.
Yeah. Let it load that.
Refresh the screen. Okay, anyway, take the public IP and try to log in there. CentOS.
Capital C or?
No.
Okay.
Usernames never have capitals, man. All of this case sensitive. Keep that in mind. If somebody creates, that is not a valid standard.
Okay. Instance is running. Okay.
Okay. Who am I? Who am I command is to check the username, CentOS. Okay. Just raise the privilege to root sudo -i. Yeah. Now you can check who am I root.
Yeah.
Right. So clear screen. No. Let's see how to install CentOS. Jenkins on CentOS machine. We don't know, right? Nothing we know. So how we can achieve this? Any software if you want to install, just go to Google. New tab, please. Yeah. Install CentOS. I'm just taking this class for everyone. Like it's been like in a normal like initial classes will be okay. Like I need to explain each and every point. So if somebody feel that if you know, please. CentOS 7. Sorry, install Jenkins on CentOS 7. Enter. So if you can see the link should be Jenkins.io one. Okay, open that. There's another link which is there, but yeah, we prefer this one only. So what is the prerequisite first? 250 GB.
2 MB of RAM, 1 GB of drive storage.
Drive space. Yeah, we have, right?
Yeah.
Okay. Although 10 GB is recommended for running a Docker container, but anyway, we are running. No, anyway, we are not using Docker. That recommended hardware configuration is 4 GB RAM and 50 GB hard disk price, which you don't have, but still okay.
That's for a small thing, right?
Yeah.
Okay.
So software requirements are, we need Java. See that? And a web browser
correct.
and Windows operating system for Windows. Okay. Now we don't have Java, so we have to install Java. But yeah, let's choose the version. Wait. Let's choose the version CentOS. Scroll down for CentOS. This is for Debian and Ubuntu versions. There is an option called, scroll down. Fedora, Red Hat CentOS, right?
Yeah.
Okay. Just what is that? Just go through the steps once. Wget is a package utility which can download the package. Okay. So the link is that it downloads the repo for us, and then importing that repo, importing the key, and then yum upgrade is like yum update, and then yum install Jenkins and Jenkins TLA, and then starting the daemon reload. Okay. And there is a way to start is sudo systemctl start Jenkins. Okay. Just scroll down. Start Jenkins is okay. Okay. Status we can check, and port 8080 should be open. Okay. This is for firewall rules. If port 8080 is blocked on your system. Okay. Post and installation wizard we can check later. Okay. But we need Java. Can you go back to the terminal? Go back to your terminal. Just type Java space -- version. I'm just checking whether version Java is there. No, right? Which Java? Command is to check again. Which Java? So enter. Sorry, there is no Java in. So it is confirmed that we don't have Java on this machine. Okay.
Yeah.
So what is the prerequisite for Jenkins to install? Java is a prerequisite. Okay. Now follow the steps in the document, in the browser, whatever things you might. First one. Okay, just type wget. I don't think so wget we have.
1 second. Suhas, actually we have two things here, right? Long-term support release and weekly release.
I'll talk about that.
Okay.
I'll talk about that.
Sure.
Just copy this and make sure that before running this, Control C. Wait. It's available in the net only. We can copy later also. Not a problem.
No, no,
Anyway,
no. I just while copying, it should not go wrong. That's why I'm just single line. You told me to do this last time.
No need. Okay, one second. Don't do that. Don't do that now. This time, I'll teach you one thing else. Okay, go back to the command. Don't save it. Don't.
Yeah. Oh, you want me to save it?
Don't close it actually. Okay, fine. Fine. Okay. Anyway, copy it. Control C.
Control C. Yeah.
Yeah. Go back to the browser terminal.
Okay.
Now, just type wget. Enter. See, we don't have wget, right?
Yeah.
How to install wget? So right, yum install wget. Yes, enter. This package doesn't include wget, so we need wget.
Yeah.
The CentOS flavor, whatever you install, there is no wget. Yes. Right, now type wget, enter. See?
Yeah.
Now we have wget installed. Okay, now clear screen. Copy the command, whatever you just paste it.
Yeah, hi. What is the meaning of wget?
Wget is a package utility. If you want to download something from anywhere from public internet, wget is a command utility in Linux. It's a downloading file or hitting something from the website and to get that information.
Oh, gotcha.
It's a utility. Linux, everything we have to do in a command line, right? You won't be having a browser there in the server and then log in there and then downloading it the way you do in a local machine, right? The client machine, which is not possible in the server. So we should have some utilities which can download us. Okay.
Yeah, thank you.
Okay. And one more thing here, after Jenkins.repo is there, right? There is a slash.
Correct.
Slash is like if you are reaching the end of the line.
Yeah.
Okay. If you want to remove that, what could be the command? I'll tell you. Go back that.
Go.
Control C. Control C.
Okay.
Notepad. Open Windows. Notepad. Copy the command. Now remove this. What do you call that? Yeah.
Backslash.
Slash. Yeah. And copy this control second line Control X. Paste it there. Now Control C for this. Control A, Control C. Control A, Control C.
One second. Control A, Control C. No, it came wrong. Control
Shift
A,
end.
Control.
Shift end. Shift end.
Shift Enter.
Okay, how we want to copy man?
No. The thing is that it got some extra spaces, so that's fine.
Okay, no problem. Copy the way you.
Control A, Control C. Yeah.
Okay.
Copy.
Now paste it. See,
Yeah.
this is the same command. Okay, just enter. So it is downloaded the file there. Okay, ls-lart. It is not showing here, right? So where it is copied? It is copied under /etc m repos.d ls-lart space /etc /m dot tab. R dot tab. Yeah, m dot r dot tab. R dot tab. Not r space tab. Remove the tab. Dot tab. Where you are in the m dot r without space tab. No tab.
M dot R space.
Okay. RE, type RE and tab.
Yeah.
Enter. So you can see there is a repository jenkins.repo and it is installed, right? When we downloaded the file, that is a jenkins.repo. Just cat out the repo, what is there in the content. Not from here, /etc.
Oh, it's sorry.
No, don't need to go. Just do one thing. Cat space /etc m.repos.d. Yeah, jenkins.repo. A tab, yes. So what is there? It is mentioned that Jenkins name Jenkins table base URL package.jenkins.io dot /Red Hat stable. Can you copy that URL? HTTP one. Yeah, select that. Okay, go to browser. Enter. Remove that. Yeah. See here, Jenkins Red Hat packages will be available. Right?
Yeah.
So this is in the browser also. If you are typing, this repo is enabled in your machine, which has to be
Suhas, are you speaking something? Or it's my internet issue?
No, sure.
Suhas is having issue. Okay.
repos.d. One second. Giri, can you pause recording?
Sure.
So we are installing. Okay, one thing is clear. This is class like I'm taking consideration of a Vishwa and Shravan because these guys are new to this Linux environment. So I'm just explaining in that way.
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah.
And just pause recording this here. Go back to terminal screen. And sorry, go back to the browser installation tab screen. We copied first line only. Now we need another next set of commands.
Okay, I think the session expired. Uptime I should give.
Okay, wait for that. Go back to the browser. What is the next step?
Next is importing the package. Importing the key.
Import the key. Just now we imported the repository. Now we need key for that. Sudo -i.
Sudo.
Okay. Now we need a key. Just copy the second line. It is RPM way of doing importing the key. That is another
Actually,
RPM.
we are using M only, right? For after CentOS 6, we are using M only, right? For everything. I mean, I'm not sure.
No. We can use either say M or RPM. DNF is there.
Okay.
There are lot of options are there. But the thing is, yeah, just download it. Okay. If you have doubts on this, just mark it as a one lection for M
Suhas
and
also.
RPM and DNF. I'll explain that.
Which one?
Okay.
Which one?
Enter.
Okay.
Enter. Just enter. Now copy the next line. Yum upgrade. It's a general Yum update kind of like Windows updates are there, like the same way. Yeah. It will take a while, I think. We should. Now next one is, what is the thing we are installing?
Java.
Jenkins and Java, both are there.
Oh, Jenkins Java, okay. Oh.
Which Java we are using here? OpenJava, OpenJDK.
OpenJDK.
Okay. Before that, there is only one Java. That is, before Oracle acquires Java, there is only one Java. After acquisition of Oracle, Java become like it's no more free, open source now. It's like Java has a two variant versions. One is Oracle Java, other one is OpenJDK. So Oracle Java is a paid one, OpenJDK is free one. So we are using OpenJDK, and Jenkins supports both OpenJDK and Oracle Java. It will take some time. Wait for. You can pause recording when you're not doing any resume. Yeah, type the next command. Yes. So it is installing OpenJDK and Jenkins. Say yes.
Why this daemon reader we are using?
Okay, I'll tell you that. What is a daemon actually in Linux? It's a server process.
Yeah.
Daemon, they call it as daemon actually. Daemon is a server process. So you have installed it, you installed two packages, right? Jenkins and Java.
Yeah.
So we are telling the daemon that we have installed two packages. So reload your configuration.
Okay.
This is the way. This is the best way of doing actually. If not, it will pick automatically, but yeah. It is explicitly telling the daemon that we installed two extra packages.
Okay.
Just do that. Okay. Now, go back to the browser and see the commands next. This is the weekly release. See, what is the first one is LTS release. LTS is long-term support. That means if you have any issues with that Jenkins, if you have a subscription, like a enterprise subscription for the Jenkins, they will support you. On a weekly release basis package, they won't support you because that is a testing.
Okay.
Okay, from the Jenkins package perspective, I'm talking, not our package. Okay, so always production environments will be chosen LTS support versions only, not the unstable version. That is also called as stable versions. Long-term support version. Okay, there could be two different things. One is long-term support and stable version. Stable versions are mostly supported by the corresponding vendor. Okay, if you have taken a subscription, paid subscription. Okay, what does it mean? Subscription contains, like if you purchase that software from the vendor, they will provide you the help. Like if you are facing any issues with the software thing, not with your build packages. It's a software level support. So weekly release, they won't provide that. So always production software should be, production system should be stable versions only or supported versions. Okay. Now, go back to the browser, sorry, terminal. Now, system.ctl.
Yeah, one second.
Okay.
Yeah.
Set iPhone OVI. This I will talk to you later, but the people who know, just follow here. System.ctl. Status. Jenkins, space Jenkins. Enter. It won't be running, right?
Yeah.
So escape K. W. CE. Start. Enter. So we started. Escape K twice. Enter. So Jenkins is started. Is that clear now? We started a Jenkins now. So how we can see the browser? Just copy the public IP.
No, it won't work because HTTPS is not enabled.
I know. Just
Okay. Sorry.
okay. Just copy the public IP.
Okay.
Yeah. Enter with a port 8080.
Oh, sorry.
Nothing is coming up, right? Because the port 8080 is not open. Just go back to our security groups and enable this port 80. Anyway, the AWS part I will cover you guys. Just don't worry. We are adding inbound rules, but I'm just telling you how I'm going to do this. TCP.
All TCP. All TPC. All TCP I can give, right?
All TCP, yeah.
Yeah.
8080. Okay, all ports are open. Okay, fine.
Yeah.
From anywhere.
What about HTTPS? Oh, it's already open, right?
It's port range from 62355, right?
655.
Okay, now save you and go back to that tab and refresh the screen. See, we're getting something. That is Jenkins is okay. We have to initially unlock the Jenkins with that password. It is located at varlib Jenkins secrets initial admin password. Copy that and cat out on about.
Meeting will be over in less than a minute.
Yeah. Let's see how much we can. Cat. Enter. So copy that key. You just double click it, man. Don't select that. Double click it. Yeah, that's a good way of copying.
Yeah.
Go there and paste it. Continue. Don't save that. Okay, we are on this page. One second. Let me end this meeting here.
Yeah.
And I'll get a new meeting invite in 1 minute.
Sure,
Okay?
sure.
Let's meet there.